everyone, happy Memorial Day. Join me today as I show you how to make triple dipped fried chicken tenders, only on Baking with Foxella Kitchen. Foxella fam, I'm Todd and welcome to Baking with Foxella Kitchen. Happy Memorial Day weekend everybody. This week I figured it'd be the perfect time to do a take on some fried chicken. Now at Foxella, you know we don't do anything small. We always go big or go home as our motto. Today I want to show you how to make triple dipped fried chicken. It's simple, easy, and of course, so good. So if you're ready, then let's have some fun. Alright, to start off our triple dipped fried chicken, what we're going to do is we're going to make some seasoning here. We're going to start off with 2 teaspoons of paprika, teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of pepper, teaspoon of garlic powder, teaspoon of onion powder, and half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. And we're just going to whisk it together here, just so it's just combined. Don't have to be necessarily particular with it, so.
Okay.
And we're set aside and move on. Next up, of course, you can't have good chicken tenders without a good dipping sauce, right,
yes.
Dave? So what we're going to do, we're going to take half a cup of mayonnaise into our bowl here. Okay, to that we are going to add a quarter of a cup of ketchup.
Okay.
Just use our spatula here. Try and get all the ketchup here.
Okay.
So Dave, is it ketchup or ketchup?
It's ketchup. I say that, honestly, I don't like ketchup, but I say that Heinz ketchup is ketchup, anything else is catsup.
Ketchup? Ketchup. 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 Ketchup.
Alright, to that we're going to add a quarter of a teaspoon of garlic powder, quarter of a teaspoon of onion powder, quarter of a teaspoon of salt, quarter of a teaspoon of pepper, and I'm probably going to get crucified on this, but half a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce.
Okay.
And we're just going to mix this together here. Just take a fork.
Okay.
Get it nice and combined here. Well, of course, we're from the Pittsburgh area region, so you know you have to use the Heinz. So
Right.
anything else is just, you know.
Right.
So how are we doing here, Dave?
Looks great.
Okay. And just gonna give this a little quick mix here. And then we're just gonna set it aside and keep it cold until we're ready to use. Next up, we can't have fried chicken without a good coating, right?
Right.
So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take a cup of flour and our seasoning that we made earlier. You remember that, Dave?
Yep.
Okay, we're just gonna take a tablespoon of that, add it to our flour.
Okay.
We're just gonna mix it together then.
Okay.
Alrighty?
Looks good.
Alright, let's go ahead and move on then. Alright, next up, Dave. Have you ever made a good beer batter?
I have not actually. My uncle used to all the time.
Okay, so that is actually what we're going to do now. We're going to take half a cup of beer.
Okay.
Half a cup of flour.
Okay.
Make sure we get all that out of there. and 2 eggs.
Okay.
And we are just going to whisk this together here until it's just combined. How do you think we're doing here, Dave?
I think it's great. That looks about right. Yeah, just make sure you get rid of the lumps of the flour and then you're done basically.
Alrighty, sounds good.
Okay.
Alright guys, let's go ahead and get our chicken coated here. We got each of our stations set up here and we're just going to follow it step by step here. I put a little bit of water in with our chicken just to kind of keep it moist. So first off, we're going to roll it in our flour here. I think that looks pretty good coated there.
Okay.
Next up, we're going to just our beer batter that we made.
Okay.
Let it drip off a little bit there. And then back in the flour. How do you think that looks, Dave?
Looks good.
Okay. Then we're going to go ahead and just put it on our plate and continue the same steps over and over until we got our chicken tenders.
Okay.
Alright guys, we're just going to go ahead and get our chicken fried off here. I have oil already started here at medium-high heat. And it's already ready to roll here. So we're going to just take our chicken, just drop it in our oil here, gently. And we're just going to cook them off until everything's nice and golden brown.
Okay.
I am so excited to be trying this out, Dave.
Oh yeah.
You know I love my fried chicken. And what better way to celebrate Memorial Day with a good fried chicken.
That's right.
So, we'll go ahead and cook these up.
Okay.
Alright, let's see how we did here. Okay, looking golden brown here on both sides, so we're just going to take them off, place them on some paper towels, and get them ready to eat here.
Okay.
Looking really good. Alright, now it's time for my favorite part, the taste test. Got a plate of my tendies here, so let's see how we did. Oh my gosh. This is so good. The sauce is perfect. Batter's perfect. You guys are going to love it. Enjoy. Wrapping up today, I want to thank you again for joining me and encourage you to check out our friends and support channels listed in the description below. But before we go, always remember, it's good times and good food on Baking with Foxella Kitchen. I'll see y'all soon. If you like this video or any of our other videos,
Be sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons and stay tuned for future shows.